TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, 30 minutes until that opening bell. Let's check in on the markets as it looks like a negative open across all major indices. Dow futures currently off 149 points, or almost 0.6%, under 26,000, 25,987. S&P futures off by 10 points, or 0.3%, trading at 28.15, and NASDAQ futures off by 43 points, or as I say that, off 52 points now, or 0.75%, trading at 69.10. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform, check in on some of the futures markets ahead of that opening bell. Start things off with the S&P 500, currently trading at 28.16. You can see the slide that we've had kind of this morning. Jumping back to about 4 a.m. Eastern Time, we're up at 28.35, almost a full 20 S&P points from that level, currently 28.16. NASDAQ 100 also, as we speak, trading lower, was up above 69.80 as of, again, that's about 4 a.m. overnight session. From there, we've traded lower a full 65 points, or almost a full percent from that level, 69.13 in the NASDAQ 100. Dow 30, 25,979. We're up at 26,200 overnight. So again, 200 plus points decline from that overnight trading point. Gold, 1343, bouncing around a bit in a little bit of a tight trading range from about 1345 to call it 1340. Crude oil, quite a bit it's had for itself this morning, trading 65.46. And natural gas trading at 2.91. And of course, Thursdays, 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we'll get those natural gas inventory numbers. We'll see how that shakes out. This morning, you have jobless claims. Come on, there we go. Jobless claims coming in at 230,000 for the week ended January 27th. That was pretty much in line. Economists polled by Reuters had forecasted claims of 238. Last night, you had Facebook and Microsoft coming out with their earnings. Facebook shares set for an all-time high on the open. We had some volatility last night. Let's jump over to the chart. So here is your closing bell last night. Facebook comes out with their earnings. They had some struggle with users, so that seemed to be the first inclination, down to 177, but they seem to like, in terms of the price that they are getting for their ads, trades up to 194, looks to open at 189. And we'll jump over to Microsoft real quick, also coming out with their earnings last night. Volatility for sure, and Microsoft looking to open 93.82, close at 95.01. Stay tuned, Larry Pesavento right now. I'll be back at 10 o'clock with Tom. Have a great morning, everybody.